Greetings, everybody. This is the Crypto Crow, and welcome to 5 Minutes of Crypto. This is actually the very first one. I'm going to start with Bitcoin. My goal being to go through the top 100 cryptocurrencies in little 5-minute segments just to educate you on what they are, where they came from, and what you might be doing with them, as well as potential investment scenarios, just to give you an idea as to what's happening with the coin. This edition is all about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, is the ticker, is the one that started it all. Created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. It's the first cryptocurrency to utilize proof of work. The name Satoshi Nakamoto is said to be a synonymous alias that the mysterious individual, or perhaps even group of individuals who created the cryptocurrency, used to hide behind. Bitcoin has grown to be the #1 decentralized digital currency by total market capitalization since its inception. It continues being an endless source of innovation, with markets for it continuing to expand. Bitcoin's consensus algorithm is proof of work. You can store Bitcoin on the Exodus wallet, and the main website is bitcoin.org. Now, the all-time high for Bitcoin has been $19,535. This is approximate, utilizing different websites, but it's right around 19,535. People have said, I'm sure it's hit about 20,000 at some point. All right. Actually, I didn't even time this, so this first one's going to be kind of weird. We'll figure out how much time it takes me to get through it all. All right, so we're going to pull this image down and go into the market. Right now, Bitcoin is at a high of $11,675. So it's obviously going up. It's on an uptrend. This was its peak. Let's see here. Where were we? Yeah, that's the 19,535. So that looks to be its peak. And this is, I can't remember if correctly or not, but I remember Bitcoin, I remember it being over 20,000 a coin at some point, but I think that was actually before CoinMarketCap took out Korean exchanges into your overall calculation of market cap and value and all of that other stuff. So we hit a low of 6,252, so we've almost gone up a full 2x since then. When was this? That was February 5th. So it hit a big low earlier this month, or last month rather, 6,252, and it's on its way back up. Now, I've done videos in the past where I've talked about the market starting to come back. I think on February 5th, it was right around this time actually. If you go back into some of my previous videos, I talked about the market starting to make a comeback around February 14th, 15th, 16th, and it did in fact start to do that. So now we're at 11,676, which is the highest we've seen it basically since since starting on its downtrend, and hopefully it means we're on our way back up. The thing about Bitcoin is, when you're looking at the markets as a whole, typically when Bitcoin is going up, everything else comes down because people are exiting their altcoin positions to ride the Bitcoin uptrend. However, over the past 6 months, we've noticed that a lot of these coins kind of have a mind of their own. Now, if you're looking at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart right now, you're going to be able to see that there's kind of a complete polar opposite effect happening in the charts. But recently, Ethereum has been showing to have a mind of its own, but we'll see if that trend continues. This has been 5 Minutes of Crypto. I don't know exactly how long it's been, but I'm going to figure it out as soon as I'm done, and it'll give me an idea moving forward. And it's kind of why I started with Bitcoin, and I'm going to move my way down. Hopefully maybe once or twice a day, I'm going to put these 5 Minutes of Crypto videos out, and I will ultimately get to the point where I'm talking about cryptocurrencies that you probably haven't heard anything about, and I'll give you a brief rundown as to who they are, what they're about, what they're used for, where I think they might go. So until next time, crow your coins, folks, and this has been 5 Minutes of Crypto. Thank you.